Popcorn, the humble yet irresistible snack, is woven into the fabric of movie nights, fairs, and cozy evenings at home. But few stop to consider the remarkable journey each fluffy kernel takes before it lands in a bowl, ready to be devoured. The story of popcorn begins not in the theater, but in the sun-drenched fields, where a very special type of corn stands tall among its cousins. This is Zeamays Everta, the only variety of corn with the explosive potential to transform into popcorn as we know it. Farmers who grow popcorn corn are caretakers of a crop engineered by nature and honed by human ingenuity. Not just any corn can become popcorn. The kernels destined for popping are unique. They possess a hull much thicker and stronger than ordinary sweet corn or field corn. This hull is a natural pressure vessel, designed to trap moisture within the dense, starchy core. Throughout the growing season, these ears of corn soak up sunlight and rain, developing the precise characteristics needed for the perfect pop. Once harvested, the journey continues in sprawling facilities where science meets tradition. First, the ears are expertly dried, a crucial step that ensures the kernels reach the ideal internal moisture level, typically around 13 to 14%. Too much moisture, and the kernels will mold or burst prematurely. Too little, and they won't pop at all. Achieving this delicate balance is both an art and a science, and it's essential for that satisfying explosion when heat is applied. With drying complete, the kernels are stripped from the cobs and sent through a rigorous cleaning process. Here, they are tumbled and sifted, air-blasted and sorted. Sophisticated laser scanners inspect each individual kernel, detecting and discarding those with cracks, dents, or other imperfections. Only the best, most uniform kernels make the cut, ready to deliver maximum popability, the industry's term for the percentage of kernels that successfully transform into popcorn. Top-tier popcorn can reach a popability quotient of 98%, while lower-grade corn might only achieve 80%, leaving more unpopped old maids at the bottom of the bag. Not all popcorn is created equal. The shape of the popped kernel determines its ultimate use and eating experience. There are two main types, butterfly and mushroom. Butterfly popcorn, with its irregular wing-like protrusions, is the airy, tender variety most commonly found at movie theaters and in microwave bags. Its delicate structure provides a satisfying crunch and readily absorbs buttery flavorings. Mushroom popcorn, on the other hand, pops into a round, compact ball. Its sturdy surface is ideal for withstanding heavy coatings, making it the preferred choice for caramel, cheese, or chocolate-covered treats. The difference in shapes is a result of slight genetic variations and subtle differences in kernel preparation, a perfect example of how popcorn has been tailored to suit every taste and application. The actual popping process is a marvel of physics and food science. In industrial settings, kernels are heated rapidly using either superheated air or powerful microwave tunnels. As the temperature climbs, the moisture sealed inside the kernel turns into steam. Trapped by the hard hull, the steam builds pressure until the interior starch gelatinizes and softens. At around 180 degrees Celsius, the pressure becomes too great. The hull ruptures and the starchy insides explode outward, cooling and solidifying instantly into the familiar white puff. Some factories take the art of popping a step further by infusing flavors during the actual popping process. As the kernels burst, liquid butter, cheese powder, or other seasonings are sprayed into the chamber, ensuring each puff is evenly coated inside and out. This mid-pop infusion technique maximizes flavor retention and creates a more intense snacking experience, a testament to the lengths producers go to craft the perfect bite. But popcorn's story stretches back much further than modern manufacturing lines. Archaeologists have discovered ancient popped kernels in caves in Peru, dating back more than 6,000 years. Early civilizations revered popcorn not just as food, but as an offering in rituals and celebrations. Popped corn adorned ceremonial headdresses and jewelry, and was sometimes used as a form of currency. Native peoples across the Americas developed their own popping methods, from throwing kernels onto hot stones near the fire to heating sand in clay pots and stirring the corn until it burst. The science was the same: the transformation of moisture and starch under heat, but the craft was deeply rooted in culture and tradition. Today, popcorn stands as a unique intersection of agriculture, chemistry, and nostalgia. It is one of the few snacks that is whole grain, naturally low in calories, and packed with fiber. When prepared with minimal added fat and salt, it can be a surprisingly healthy choice. Yet, it also serves as a blank canvas for indulgence, ready to be drenched in butter, dusted with spices, or blanketed under a layer of caramel. Popcorn's enduring popularity is no accident. Its satisfying crunch, airy texture, and ability to carry flavors make it nearly irresistible. The anticipation as kernels rattle in a pot or microwave, the first pop signaling a cascade of transformation, and the aroma that fills the air, all contribute to an experience that is as much about ritual as it is about taste. From ancient caves to modern cinemas, from wild fields to factory floors, popcorn has traveled through time and technology to earn its place as a global favorite. Each kernel is a tiny wonder, engineered by evolution and perfected by human hands. The next time you reach for a handful, take a moment to appreciate the journey, the fields, the farmers, the science, and the centuries of history that brought this little explosion of deliciousness to your fingertips.